Good morning. The rain is here and it's very malakas. Malakas na malakas. You see the light and you see the ang lakas ng hangin. So, be careful everyone. Good morning. Hello, it's raining. Good morning, everybody. See that? It's raining. Heavy raining here in Pad Thai, Thailand. Oh no. Oh no. Later I go. I hope it will stop before I go back to my hotel. Okay, so this is what's happening now in Thailand.
Nakatito, unti lang. What? What? You want what? You want to see also? Huh? You want to see also the snow? You want? Okay.
We started with the rain and now we are ending with the rain. So, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ngayon ay umuulan. Ayan, kitang-kita niyo. Ngayong gabi. So, good evening everyone. It's now raining outside. You see? The rain is continuous and it's very malakas. So, ingat po ang lahat ng nagbabiyahe, lahat ng tao. Ingat po kayo. Ako, nandito lang ako para mag-video at na ma-share dahil I always want to go every place. Thank you. See you mga kabores.